We live in a world obsessed with happiness. Every self-help book, every motivational speaker tells us to be happy. But why do so many still feel empty? What if the true key to happiness isn't what we think it is? Over 1,000 years ago, a philosopher named Al-Farabi uncovered the deepest truth about happiness, not as a temporary emotion but as a state of being. His wisdom has shaped civilizations and still holds powerful lessons for us today. Stay with me as we uncover the ancient secret to happiness, through the eyes of Al-Farabi. Imagine a time when science, philosophy, and art flourished, a golden age of wisdom. In the heart of this era stood Al-Farabi, a man so wise that he became known as the second teacher after Aristotle. But what made him truly extraordinary was not just his intellect, it was his vision of happiness. He believed that true happiness was not found in material success or fleeting pleasures but in something far greater: wisdom, virtue, and self-mastery. According to Al-Farabi, the journey to happiness is a journey of the mind. He described 4 levels of intellect that determine how we think and experience life. Where do you see yourself? Basic intellect, living on autopilot, reacting but not questioning. Acquired intellect, learning from others but not forming independent thought. Practical intellect, applying knowledge to life's challenges. Active intellect, the highest form, where a person connects with universal wisdom and reaches enlightenment. According to Al-Farabi, only those who strive toward active intellect can attain lasting happiness. But how do we reach it? Unlike today's advice to just be positive, Al-Farabi saw happiness as a lifelong pursuit of self-improvement and wisdom. To be truly happy, he said, we must seek knowledge beyond surface-level understanding, master ourselves, our desires, fears, and emotions, and contribute to the world with wisdom and virtue. Happiness, to him, was not a prize to be won but a transformation of the self. But Al-Farabi didn't stop at personal happiness. He imagined a world where everyone could be happy. He called it the Virtuous City, a society where the wisest lead, justice prevails, and people strive for the common good. But look at our world today. Does it resemble his vision? One day, a student asked Al-Farabi, "What is the greatest tragedy of a man?" He replied, "To think he has found happiness when he has only found comfort." This student was a wealthy noble who had spent his life chasing pleasures. Inspired by Al-Farabi's words, he abandoned his shallow lifestyle to studying wisdom and serving others. Years later, he confessed, "I have never been richer in my soul than I am now." This is the essence of Al-Farabi's philosophy. True happiness is not external, it is the light that grows within. Al-Farabi's wisdom is not just ancient philosophy, it's a guide for modern life. Here are 3 lessons we can apply right now: think beyond information, seek understanding. Social media floods us with knowledge, but true wisdom requires deep reflection. Live with purpose, not just comfort. Happiness isn't found in passive pleasures, it comes from actively improving yourself and the world. Choose your circle wisely. Al-Farabi believed a person's environment shapes their intellect. Surround yourself with those who challenge you to grow. Al-Farabi's message is clear: happiness is not something we chase, it is something we become. The path is not always easy, but the rewards are eternal. If this wisdom resonates with you, let's keep exploring together. Live better. Think deeper. Build resilience. Be the first to see it first. Subscribe to Sage Chronicles. And if you found value in this, please like, comment, and share. It helps more people find these timeless lessons.